If you never wanted an AI assistant sitting in your taskbar, you're not the only one. For lots of people, Copilot is more than just something that gets in the way visually. It's a feature that keeps running behind the scenes, eating up computer power that you'd probably prefer to use for games or work. I've come across tons of internet tricks telling you to delete system files to remove this. Don't do that. It can mess up your Windows updates completely. Today, I'm going to teach you the proper, safe method to turn off Copilot using the actual settings that Microsoft created in Windows for IT professionals. It's clean, you can undo it anytime, and it's completely safe. But first, let's check out the simple switch. If you only want to hide the icon, open your settings, go to personalization, and click on taskbar. You'll find the Copilot switch under other system tray icons. Switching this off will immediately hide the button. But for a lot of you, that won't be good enough. You want to make sure the service isn't showing up anywhere else. For that, we need to use something called the group policy method. This is what IT professionals use. Hit your Windows key and type gpedit.msc. This brings up the group policy editor. Quick note, if you're using Windows Home Edition, look in the description for the registry alternative since Home doesn't always come with group policy editor. Go to user configuration, then administrative templates, then Windows components, and find Windows Copilot. Double-click on it, you'll see an option that says Turn off Windows Copilot. Double-click that. Now listen carefully because this trips up everyone. To turn off Copilot, you actually need to choose Enabled on this screen. You're turning on the Disable feature. I know it sounds backwards. Select Enabled, click Apply, and then OK. After you restart your computer, the policy kicks in and Copilot is officially turned off at the system level. No risky scripts needed. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Copilot the right way without breaking anything. If this helped you out, smash that like button and drop a comment letting me know what Windows feature you want me to cover next. Subscribe to get solutions for more tutorials that actually work and keep your system safe. I'll catch you in the next one.